अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज नंबर 6। नंबर 1, जो owes them the debt, comma, so we have give them the check, full stop. 2, they think today was to make them way the cool. 3, they both say the cool was wait full stop for who came to take the load to the depot. Question marks. 5. We have now lunch to take to the game. Full stop. 6. May we have yellow boat to take to the bay. Question marks. 7. Who will be paid to show them the way today it? False question marks. 8. We think they will come to the show. It will be give today. Full stop. तो ये थी गाइस हमारी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 6 जो कि कंप्लीट हो चुकी है। इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।